Greg Stokes here with Aquatic Recreation. Wanted to put together a short video to show you the multi-play structure that you've purchased for your project and just give you an overview of it. Along with this short video, we'll also be providing a lot of pictures as we disassemble the product so you can actually see more of the details of how it is assembled. So with that, we'll start walking around the structure and I'll show you some of the details. So the way the structure was designed is that we built 3 platforms. These platforms are going to be shipped to you as whole pieces, meaning that the grate, the box design, and the stainless steel support and attachments are all going to be connected. These platforms, 3 of them will be shipped as entire units, as well as the steps are completely prefabricated with the grate step profiles and the stainless steel attachment hardware. They will be shipped as complete assembled units, and you'll have 3 of those. In addition, you will have railings that are pre-manufactured and will be shipped in individual sections. As you can see that in all of this, we have a labeling system that will correspond to a drawing so that you can assemble this by referencing the drawing also. And then the posts will be shipped separately so that you can then, of course, use those when you're starting to put together the structure. So in theory, how we've planned this structure to go together is that you take out your 3 platforms and set those in place roughly where they will go in the pool. Then after you set those in place, you take your posts and put those in the receivers on the platform itself. So now you have 3 platforms that are on the ground, and you have all 4 posts for each platform sitting in the socket of the platform, and everything is spaced out. The next step that you'll do then is you'll lift the platforms up and put in your bolts that will set the elevation of this platform. The platforms have been designed for a complete level pad. So then you will raise each platform up and set and mount those into each of the posts. You'll raise the platform up again and set them into the post. In the final tier, you'll do the same thing. So now what you'll have is 3 individual platforms mounted on posts. Okay? I encourage you not to tighten everything right away. I encourage you to keep things loose and kind of fluid, so as you continue to build these building blocks together, you can still have some manipulation of movement to have everything fit together. So now that I have 3 platforms that are up, then I recommend that you take the 3 stairs and adjoin the platforms to each other. All right? That will then lock you in together and orientate you in the pool itself. Then, after you have the 3 stairs in place and the platforms in place, then I would come in here and start mounting your railing systems. Put each railing system in place. At this time, because you've kept things loose, it'll allow you to play with the any type of wedging that you may have to do on the bottom of the legs, as well as getting these the legs true and plumb to be able to make these attachments for the rails itself. So then you'll install all the railings itself. That time you can go around and tighten all the fasteners and hardware because you're pretty much set to go. So that is the general idea of how the whole unit will go together. So let me take you around to some areas where I can show you some specific details.